Hey y'all, today we're gonna make homemade chili with cornbread on top, aka cornbread chili casserole. This is gonna be so good, it's easy, and it's perfect for this cold winter season. The full recipe will be written in the description box. We are using ground beef, kidney beans, and just a few spices. Now this is cumin, coriander, chili powder, paprika, oregano, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. And you can even throw in some cayenne pepper. Now we are also using garlic flavored, fire roasted diced tomatoes, low sodium beef broth, tomato paste, green onions, white onion, bell pepper, jalapeno, and fresh garlic. First, let's chop up the veggies. I'm using my handy dandy vegetable chopper to get the job done. I will link this below if you are interested. This is definitely a time saver when it comes to chopping and getting it done quickly. So next, let's brown the ground beef in a large skillet on high heat. You will need a meat chopper or a spatula. You need to break up that ground beef really good and cook it all the way through. Then you'll need to drain the fat. You're going to reduce the heat down to medium. Okay, you're going to add the chili powder, cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, salt, pepper, paprika, coriander, and cayenne pepper. And mix this into the meat really good. Then we'll add the diced veggies, including the garlic, and we're going to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're going to add the tomato paste. If you like this video so far, please do me a really big favor and click the like button. If you are not subscribed to my channel, I really hope that you will consider subscribing. And if you do, be sure to press the notification bell so that you will not miss out when I upload another easy recipe. Now let's add both cans of the fire roasted diced tomatoes, beef broth, red kidney beans, and just a quick note about the beans. So as you can see, I am using dry kidney beans. I did soak these overnight. If you don't want to do dry beans, that's okay. You can simply substitute with canned beans. All right, now let's give everything a good mix. We're going to cover and simmer on low for about 2 to 2.5 hours to give those beans time to cook and soften up. So should you decide to do canned beans, you'll only need to let this simmer for about 30 minutes to an hour. And then after that, taste your food. If it needs a little more salt, here's a quick tip. Try adding a little beef bouillon powder instead of salt. Okay, now once your chili is done, if it's too watery for you, you can let this cook for an additional 15 minutes uncovered on medium heat, and this will allow some of that liquid to evaporate. But just a word of caution, now if you cook out that liquid, your casserole may come out a little dry, so you might want to use your best judgment. Now for the cornbread, you may use Jiffy, or you can just do your favorite cornbread mix. Or if you want to make it from scratch, I have a great recipe for you. It's really easy. You will need self-rising flour, sugar, yellow cornmeal, salt, eggs, milk, and butter. Okay, you're going to mix the dry ingredients together first, then add the wet ingredients and make sure your butter is not too hot going in. Then you'll mix all of the ingredients together until fully combined, and that's it. So easy. Take that cornbread batter and spread it out evenly on top of the chili. Smooth it out. We're going to bake this in a preheated 375-degree oven for 30 to 45 minutes or until the cornbread is light golden brown and fully cooked. And look at how delicious this looks. Buttery and slightly sweet cornbread on top, savory chili on the bottom, baked to perfection. Okay, so if you try my recipe, I really hope that you'll like it. Please come back and let me know how your food turned out. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to click the like button if you enjoyed this video, and I hope to catch you in my next one.